In the main booking office, it was as if time had changed nothing. Obtaining the ticket in this way reminded me again of my school days and the journey from St Bureau to King's Road. Not only has the station retained much of its former Southern Region character, but Chris Grove also obtained the former LSWR SR signal box from Pinhoe in Exeter on the former Salisbury to Waterloo main line. It represents a typical country station box, and whilst originally built in the 1860s, is similar to the original Bere Ferrers box, having the same number of levers. The atmosphere on the day we filmed was unforgettable, with the added bonus of a BR unit approaching the station to stop at the request of a passenger. In discussion with a colleague a few weeks ago, we contemplated the thought of steam again being used on this section of line. Perhaps with the proposed reprivatisation of the railways, some steam-enthusiastic entrepreneurs will allow their hearts to rule their heads for a while and provide a new tourist attraction for such a beautiful section of line through the Tamar Valley.